Yo, what's up everyone? Part of the Fan Collector here, and today I will be unboxing what is currently the oldest fan in my collection, a 1983 Casablanca Four Seasons that I got from Matthew Calderalde, or at least I don't know how it's pronounced, the last name. And I will replace that thing tomorrow. The blades are sitting right there, so yeah, I've already got the scissors in my hand. And see, now it says my dad's name. And the rest of my boxes are rather in here or in my closet because my mom put them there. Finally, I get a fan I've wanted for a while. I've always wanted a Casablanca. Oh, what the frick? How the frick is it already open like that? That's weird. This is gonna be kind of hard. It's hard to do, especially with one hand. Yeah, I'm opening this early because it won't be able to fit in my car, so not my car, but it won't be able to fit in the minivan that my parents drive, so they're letting me open it early, just like the time when I flew to Utah in 2020, and then I got to open my Ken arm early. And unfortunately, I do not have the box for that anymore. That's entirely gone. That Ken arm box. Here she is. A beautiful Four Seasons. Unboxing. The oldest fan of my collection. So my Concorde is from '89. Dang, this makes me really excited. I have not had a fan this old. So, oh, that's the canopy. The very complicated hang true, and I'm not going to be using that for a while. Here are the beautiful blades. Solid wood. You can see where the irons were. I think it's single-sided. Here she is. My current oldest fan in the collection. A Casablanca Four Seasons. Oh, yep. And a spiral. How the frick? I've never owned a Casablanca, so that's why I'm kind of confused. It appears to be a very short blade iron. Oh, this screws me. Oh, I can't tell what this is. I'll get that out later. Some screws. Actually, this one. Looks like some more screws and stuff. No, that's a blade iron. I think I'm shaking for some reason. Yeah, there it is. It resembles a GE vent, but it's not quite GE vent. I've wanted a Casablanca, a vintage Casablanca, for so long, but I've never been able to get my hands on one. Even when I was like 7 years old. Oh my gosh. Finally. Why is it sharp? There she is. She's a real beauty. 48-incher. Let's poke a hole in the wrapping. And I'm gonna open it like that. Yep, it's got an actual flywheel. Oh, he wrapped this in really tight. It's not my first polished brass ceiling fan because, yeah. Let me see what the chain sounds like. Well, that actually sounds pretty good. Now I'm going to try to put the light kit from my Littleton onto here. Oh my gosh, this is hard. So I'm going to cut another thing in it, if I can. Yeah, this is hard. You can see where the screws go. There we go. Oh, this is really cold. Well, because it's been sitting outside for a while. Well, this appears to have been. My friends does not have a Casablanca yet, but this is my first Casablanca in my collection. What the heck? Ah, I see. I'm gonna try to cut another hole, if I can. Okay, this is gonna be over here. The scissors are refusing to... I don't know. I don't want to scratch this thing because this is my first Casablanca. It's already kind of beat up. Well, at least it was in the video I saw. Yeah. I would have invited my friend over to be able to see it, but, like, yeah. Since he had an orthodontist appointment, so he wasn't able to make it to my house tonight. I will be putting this box in my closet. Hope I didn't just scratch something. Oh my gosh. This motor and motor housing are so cold. This isn't hard to get open because of the way they did it. Huh. So, Fan 96, if I'm correct, that was him. If you're watching this video, then that means you did a great job packing this Four Seasons. It's so hard I can barely even get this thing out. And because the motor is so cold. What's wrong with my camera? Let me just try to fix my camera. I just realized. And even since Casablanca, there's the... That's right, I gotta fix my thing. And yes, it is from 1983. It doesn't really say in there, but, like, yeah. You can see the flywheel. Now, we'll be installing this thing tomorrow. But not with the hang true. Because I do not want this fan to fall. Well, it depends on if they got the recall clip or not. Which I don't even know what the recall clip looks like, so, yeah. This is my first fan from Casablanca. I don't know if that's supposed to do that, or if it's just... No, I think it's supposed to do that. That sounds really cool. And I will be putting the light fitter from this Littleton onto this fan. Behold, my first Casablanca. I can feel a blade iron in there, so, yeah. And jeez, how much plastic wrap did they use? They used way too much plastic wrap. I don't know why they used so much plastic wrap to open this thing. Let me just flip my camera. What am I doing? How much plastic wrap did they frickin' use? This is scary. There we go. Oh, yeah. There we go. Jeez Louise. I'll pretend that just didn't happen. I just very lightly scratched one of the blades on accident. It's like right there. You can't really see it. I think the blades are reversible, actually. Oh, they are. But I'm going to use them on the other side. Well, the reason I'm not installing it tonight is because my favorite VR game just got a brand new update. The Christmas update. And I wanted to go check it out, so.
Oh dear, I hope I don't do anything to the blade on accident, because they used way too much plastic wrap. Jeez. Oh my gosh. They used so much plastic wrap. Ugh. Sorry. Oh my gosh. No, I'm scratching up the blades by doing that. Thankfully, just a light scratch, so yeah. At least this is my first Casablanca, so I'm trying. It's just give me a break. Not my first 4-blade fan, because my Littleton is a 4-blade. The fan that's currently installed in my room. I'm gonna open up this canopy if I can. If I can conquer the plastic wrap. I think the rear coat clip is actually in there right now. Oh, I did it. I cut a hole into the plastic wrap. Oh my gosh. This is taking ages. Oh dear. Ugh. Ugh. Oh my gosh. What the frick? This is so hard to open. Yeah. This one is from around 1983. It's possible. But, like, this would have to be a very rare coincidence, though. Because this Four Seasons could have actually been in my grandma's house. She had a few Casablancas in her house. Thankfully, she didn't throw any away. I mean, if she did, it'd probably be the Cambridge, because water damage to the flywheel. Finally. But no, I will not be using this canopy. I'll try to find the canopy that I'm going to actually be using. And mounting bracket, but I'll mix and match the mounting bracket like I normally do. Unless it's a harder fan, then yeah. Hope I didn't scratch the inside of the canopy. I mean, it's a Casablanca. It's already previously been scratched up, so yeah. Why the frick does it sound like this? Why does it sound so weird? Yeah, that sounds really weird. Jeez Louise. That is so much plastic wrap. I can barely even open this thing. This is taking way longer than my normal unboxing videos, just because Ceiling Man 96 decided to put 10 billion layers of plastic wrap on this thing. Jeez Louise, this is taking ages. Jeez. Heck nah. I am not putting up this hang true. Nah. You really thought it was a good idea to literally stuff 10 billion layers of plastic wrap inside the fan. And of course, it's taking way longer than normal Because I would have already had the entire fan unboxed by now. What's the white paint on the canopy? This is taking forever. And now my phone's probably gonna die soon. Let me just... Okay. Oh, jeez. 15 minutes. I'm probably just gonna pause the video. Okay, I should have done it earlier. I'll be right back. Okay, that took an ice age. And, I found out how the hang true works, and no, I am not using it. Because I do not want to risk that fan falling on me in my sleep. This is a very heavy fan, too, and it's, oh, that's a really long screw. Yeah, no, I am not. Wait, is the hang true actually just a single? Oh, it isn't. That's right, it isn't. I mean, this is the part you would take off and then you'd put your fan in here. Yeah, I don't think you put a recall clip in here. Actually, I might just put this one back in. How the frick? This is taking way too long. It's Casablanca, after all. An early Casablanca. So I understand. How will the actual... Nah. I'm doomed. Another ice age. Yeah, I'm not using this. Oh, okay, I have to use this down rod. At least I think I do. No, I'm not using the hang true unless I get a recall clip. I think they did include one, that's just... might still be in the box somewhere where I'm not going to be looking. Well, because I do not want to risk a severely damaged fan. Which is why I will change the mounting, so... Oh my gosh. Is that actually how... Nah. That is weird. I thought it melted like a normal fan until I saw that. This is taking way too long. Jeez Louise, how much wrap did they put on here? I'm not gonna look for the recall clip because I'm just scared. Just actually scared. Dude, this is taking forever just because this dude put 10 billion layers of plastic. Oh, look what I just found. A recall clip. It does have the little thing in the down rod. It's a little... Some person's opening my garage. Probably my brother. My younger brother. It should not be that hollow. Okay, this sits right there. But that's the problem. How am I going to be mounting the recall clip? Yeah, I've got it in there. It just... Yeah. Yeah, I just decided to take this piece off of the... Yeah. So it looks like I have to get some pliers and, if I can set it down properly. You gotta take this part off and then, this part goes up there. But yeah, anyways, I'm not going to go too far in the video because,
I'm really tired of taking the 10 billion layers of plastic wrap off the fan. And no, I will not do that ever again. So yeah, and it looks like... Yeah, anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and, yeah, I hope you all enjoy my new fan, and, see you guys later, and, goodbye.